Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Rahila Ferdowsi, Assistant Teacher, Day Shift. Today I am going to have a class with the students of class 3. Our today's subject is English language. Today we will do translation 1 to 10. Then we will do lesson 9, exercise 1 and 2. Our today's lecture number is 14 and our today's SW number is 12. My dear students, your assignment is going on. So for practicing the assignment, you will do SW number 12, that is translation 1 to 5. Now we will start the translation. See, here teacher prepared some translations for you. We will translate them from Bengali to English. Number 1. শিক্ষকের আদেশ পালন করা ছাত্রের কর্তব্য. Okay, so who will do the work here? Chhatro. What is the English of chhatro? Student. Yes, sometimes you also say people. So what will we write? People should obey his teacher. Number 2. শিক্ষা মনের অন্ধকার দূর করে. What is the English of শিক্ষা? Education. So what will you write? Education then verb দূর করে, removes. Education removes the darkness, অন্ধকার, the darkness of mind, মনের, of mind. So it will be education removes the darkness of mind. Now number 3. ছেলেগুলো হাততালি দিল. What is the English of হাততালি? Clapped. So the boys clapped. The boys clapped. Full stop. My dear students, you must be careful to giving full stop because it's a completed sentence. I have given here Dari, so we have to also give here full stop in every sentence. Then come number 4. অলস ব্যক্তি কখনো সুখী হয় না. What is an অলস ব্যক্তি called? Yes, an idle man. An idle, I-D-L-E. An idle man is never happy. Full stop. Number 5. সৎলোক সর্বত্রই সম্মানিত হন. What is the English of সৎলোক? Yes, honest man. So an honest man is respected everywhere. An honest man is respected everywhere. Full stop. Now number 6. ধনীরা সর্বদা সুখী নয়. ধনীরা, so the rich, the rich are not always happy. Then full stop. There will be there. Now number 7. তিনি তার ছেলের সাথে মাঠে কাজ করেন. He works with his son in the field. Number 8. বাংলাদেশ বিদেশে চা রপ্তানি করে. বাংলাদেশ exports tea to the foreign countries. Be careful of foreign spelling. F-O-R-E-I-G-N. Foreign countries. Full stop. So, Bangladesh exports tea to the foreign countries. Number 9. যত বেশি পড়বে তত বেশি শিখবে. The English term is the more you read, the more you will learn. So, যত বেশি পড়বে তত বেশি শিখতে পারবে. The more you read, the more you will learn. Number 10. জল ছাড়া কেউ বাঁচতে পারে না. What is জল? Yes, it is water. So, what will you write? কেউ বাঁচতে পারে না. That means none. None can live without none can live without water. Full stop. So see now what have we done? শিক্ষকের আদেশ পালন করা ছাত্রের কর্তব্য. A people should obey his teacher. শিক্ষা মনের অন্ধকার দূর করে. Education removes the darkness of mind. ছেলেগুলো হাততালি দিল. The boys clapped. অলস ব্যক্তি কখনো সুখী হয় না. An idle man is never happy. সৎ লোক সর্বত্রই সম্মানিত হন. An honest man is respected everywhere. ধনীরা সর্বদা সুখী নয়. The rich are not always happy. তিনি তার ছেলের সাথে মাঠে কাজ করেন. He works with his son in the field. বাংলাদেশ বিদেশে চা রপ্তানি করে. বাংলাদেশ exports tea to the foreign countries. যত বেশি পড়বে তত বেশি শিখতে পারবে. The more you read, the more you will learn. জল ছাড়া কেউ বাঁচতে পারে না. None can live without water. So my dear students, these are the translations for today. You must learn this and practice this at your home. Now we will do articles from our book. That is the book Enjoying Grammar. Enjoying Grammar. Okay, here we will do today lesson 9, that is articles. See here, read these sentences. Ajoy helped an old man across the road yesterday. The old man thanked him for his help. We use a or an only before singular nouns. Wherever there is singular noun like boy, we use a. Wherever singular noun orange, we use an. We use a before singular nouns which begin with consonant sounds such as B, C, L, N, T, S and so on. There are 21 consonant sounds and we use a before that singular nouns like a dog, a tree, etc. We use an with singular nouns which begin with vowel sounds such as a, e, I, o, u, a, e, I, o, u, like an eraser, an egg. When adjectives are used before singular nouns, we use a before adjectives that begin with consonant sounds and an before adjectives that begin with vowel sounds, like a tall boy, an obedient boy. What does it say? That when there are the nouns, before the noun there is an adjective, we have to use the article according to the adjective. Now we will do the exercise number 1. Pick out the words from the box and write them in the correct columns on the next page. Now we will do it. See, we have to write here. This is for A, this column is for A vowel and this column is for N vowel. Okay, so first one, tail. For tail we will do right here under A, tail, tail. Then elephant, it starts with E. So we have to write it here, an elephant. Then well is what? It starts with W, that's a consonant. So we will write a well. Next one, ostrich, it starts with O, the vowel. So we have to write it like this, an ostrich, an ostrich. Then bell, it starts with B, so we will write here a bell. Next, igloo, it starts with I, that's a vowel, so we will write here an igloo. Next, ant, it starts with vowel A, so we will write an ant. Next, girl, it starts with consonant G, so we will write a girl. Crocodile, it starts with C and a consonant, so we will write a crocodile. Uncle, it starts with vowel U, so we will write an uncle. Now, exercise number 2, rewrite these sentences with A or N in the correct places. Number 1, I eat egg, some toast and banana for breakfast. Here we have to write I eat an egg, some toast and a banana for breakfast. Like this. Now we will do number 2. My mother is engineer and father is pilot. So what will we write here? My mother is, it will be an engineer because it starts with the vowel E. My mother is an engineer. And my father is a pilot because P is a consonant. Full stop. So my mother is an engineer and my father is a pilot. Number 3, my neighbor is clever and hardworking person. She has lovely smile and kind heart. So what will you write here? My neighbor is hardworking, person. She has lovely smile and a kind heart. Okay, number 4. In a small village in South India, there lived old women. So what will you write? In a small village in South India, there lived an old woman. Next, number 5. In jungle in Nepal, there lived tiger. He was enormous animal. So what will you write? In jungle, in a jungle in Nepal, there lived a tiger. He was an enormous animal. Number 6. Don't try to catch a bee. You will feel sharp pain. You will feel a sharp pain. Don't try to catch a bee. It might sting you. You will feel a sharp pain. Okay, my dear students, this is all for today. You must practice this at home very well. Stay safe. Allah.